Here is how to contact Badoo support. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can contact Badoo support. So let's start. There are two ways by which you can contact Badoo support. The first option is by reaching out to them on social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. For example, if you have a Twitter or Facebook account, you can simply open the app. For now, I'm using Twitter. After you open the app, go to the search bar and then type Badoo help. You'll find this Badoo help account. Open this account. Then after, you can directly message them or make a tweet highlighting your issue. So in this way, you can contact Badoo support. The second method to contact them is through your browser. For that, open any browser of your choice. Then after, tap on the search bar and type Badoo feedback. You'll find this feedback link from the official website of Badoo. Open it. Then you'll get a list of various options that you can select depending upon your issue. Let's say you are having a problem with your payment. For that, tap on report a problem with the payment. Then after, enter your email address, name, and then type your message. Furthermore, you can also attach a screenshot. Then after, tap on send. As you do that, the message will reach to Badoo moderators. They will look into the issue and contact you in your email. So in this way, you can contact Badoo support. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.